The implosion of OceanGate's Titan submersible left many unanswered questions. But now, the release of a critical new piece of evidence may finally shed some light on what really went down on that tragic day. The United States Coast Guard has just released several pieces of crucial evidence related to the OceanGate tragedy into the public domain, including a 23-second audio clip. In it, the sound of the Titan sub's catastrophic implosion could be distinctly heard. Recorded by the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, or NOAA, on the day of the tragedy, the first 9 seconds of the eerie recording sound like static noise. Past the 9-second mark, there is a distinctive roar resembling thunder, which continues for the next 7 seconds. This haunting recording is the only known real-time audio evidence of the event, offering a rare glimpse into the final moments of the tragedy. As a federal agency entrusted with the responsibility of studying the environment and providing various services, ranging from weather forecasting to oceanic research, NOAA deploys various scientific equipment in areas under its jurisdiction. Since 2014, NOAA and several of its sister agencies started the Ocean Noise Reference Station Network. The project envisioned setting up a network of ocean noise reference stations, essentially underwater microphones called hydrophones, that continuously record sounds of the ocean. NOAA's goal for the project was to monitor long-term changes and trends underwater. This equipment is designed to record underwater sounds that range between the frequencies of 10 and 2000 Hz. This covers a wide variety of common oceanic chatter, everything from whale calls to sounds emitted by ships. 12 of these hydrophones were active across various areas of the U.S. coast on the day of the tragedy, including areas near Alaska, Hawaii, American Samoa, and the U.S. Virgin Islands. One of the hydrophones was also located nearly 900 miles from the Titanic's final resting place. This hydrophone recorded the moment the Titan sub imploded on June 18, 2023. To understand the reason NOAA set up a network of underwater recording equipment across the coast of the United States, we first need to understand the fact that sound travels far more efficiently in water compared to air. This also means sound can travel much longer distances underwater. Scientists have long established that several marine animals, including whales and dolphins, use sound to communicate with each other. Needless to say, sounds emitted underwater form a very important part to the ocean ecology. A lot of information regarding the state of the ocean can be gathered by observing the changes in the sound of the ocean over long periods. For the past decade, NOAA's network of ocean noise reference stations has provided copious amounts of data for scientists to study the various kinds of oceanic noises. Besides giving us a better understanding of how oceanic life uses sound to communicate with each other, these noise reference stations have also helped scientists study the impact of human-induced oceanic noises on marine life. The deployment to these hydrophones has helped scientists understand several previously unknown facts about the ocean. For example, we now know the difference between the sound intensity of the Alaskan Arctic Ocean compared to the warmer Gulf of Mexico. These hydrophones have also recorded whale calls and now understand their migration patterns and routes. Data from the equipment has also been used to study the impact of the noise caused by ships traversing through major shipping routes across the ocean on marine life. In the case of OceanGate's doomed Titan sub, NOAA's hydrophones ended up capturing the sound caused by its catastrophic implosion.